Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making low-carb vegan keto tacos, packed with plant-based goodness and bold flavors while keeping it low-carb and keto-friendly. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 head cauliflower, riced, 1 cup walnuts, chopped, 1 packet taco seasoning, 2 tablespoons olive oil, half a teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon onion powder, salt and pepper to taste, lettuce leaves for taco shells, diced tomatoes, shredded cheese, and avocado slices, optional toppings. Directions: in a large skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add the riced cauliflower and chopped walnuts. Stir in the taco seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Cook until the cauliflower is tender and the mixture is well combined, about 7 to 10 minutes. Scoop the cauliflower-walnut mixture into lettuce leaves and top with diced tomatoes, shredded cheese, and avocado slices as desired. Serve immediately and enjoy your keto-friendly tacos. Don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel